Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fauzi. I'm from Pinasarana Informatika University. My class is 171B07. My major is information technology. Okay, first of all, our presentation of experiencing the present perfect tense. Okay, here we go. So far, this title present perfect tense. Title is understanding the present perfect tense, connecting past and present. Subtitle: time isn't just a straight line. Presenter name is your name. Date, date of presentation. Introduction: what is a tense? Let's start with the basic. What is a tense? Tense in English refers to from of a verb that indicates the time and action or event occurs. It helps us understand where something happened in the past, present, or future. Today, we'll focus on one of the most interesting, the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense and overview. The present perfect tense, a bridge between then and now. Unlike the simple past, which focus on specific time in the past, the present perfect connect the past with the present. The action happened in the past, but its result or impact is still relevant now. Often confusing, but actually quite logical. Structure of the present perfect tense, building sense, the present perfect structure. Formula: positive is a subject, have or has, and past participle. Negative is subject, have and has, not, and past participle. Interrogative is have or has, and subject, and past participle. Notes: have is used for I, you, we, they. Has is used for he, is, it. Past participle V3. The third form of the verb ag, eaten, and gone. Seen, written. Important to memorize. Example of sentence structure. Let's look at example. Positive example: I have finished my homework. I'm free now. She has visited Paris 3 times, or that experience is still with her. Negative example: they haven't eaten breakfast yet, or they might still be hungry now. He hasn't seen that movie, or he can watch it now. Interrogative example: have you ever been to London? Asking about life experience. Has she called you back? Asking about the status of an incomplete call. When do we use the present perfect? Usage 1. K use. Past action with present result. Life experience or action at an unspecific time. Emphasis that an action has happened or hasn't happened at some at some point in the past, but the time isn't important or unknown. As an example, I have traveled to many countries. The specific time isn't mentioned, but the experience is still relevant. Action just complete with just indicate that an action has recently finished and its effect are still felt. Example: they have just arrived. They are here now. When do we use the present perfect? Used to. They use duration from the past to now. Action that start in the past and continue up the present. Often use were for duration or signs since from specific point in time. Example, she has lived in Jakarta for 5 years, or she still lives in Jakarta now. We have known each other since childhood, or we still know each other now. When do we use the present perfect? Use 3. They use change or achievements, change that have occurred over time up to now. Describes how something has evolved or transformed. Example, the city has grown so much in the last decade. Achievement or repeat action in unfinished period. For example, it within a day, a week, a month, age that has end yet. Example, I have read 3 books this week. This week is over yet. The present perfect best friend keywords. For show duration for 2 hours for a long time. Since show a starting point in time. Since 210 since last Monday. Already indicate something has already happened. Yet in question or negative sentence or indicate something hasn't happened yet. Just very recently. Ever. In question about experience, have you ever? Never, not anytime. So far or up to now, until this moment, recently or lately in the recent past. Thank you very much for attention. I hope you enjoy the presentation and keep exploring and applying what you learned today about present perfect. Thank you.